In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable related videos on WordPress Elementor YouTube embeds. If you've ever embedded a YouTube video on your WordPress site using Elementor, you've probably noticed that when the video finishes, YouTube shows a bunch of suggested or related videos. These can be distracting, off-brand, or even show competitors' content. In this walkthrough, I'll show you a simple way to reduce those distractions by tweaking the YouTube link inside your Elementor video widget. First, log into your WordPress dashboard like you normally would. Once you're in, look at the menu on the left-hand side and find the Elementor section. Hover your mouse over it so that the sub-menu appears, then select the editor option. This will open the Elementor dashboard inside WordPress, where you can visually edit your pages and templates. Next, look towards the top right of the screen and click on Edit Site. This takes you into the site editor environment where you can access the specific page or template that contains your YouTube video. Once you're inside the editor, locate the video widget that holds your YouTube embed. You can do this either by clicking directly on the video on the page or by using the navigator to find the video widget in the layout structure. When you select the video widget, the settings panel will open on the left side of the screen. Make sure you're on the Content tab of the video widget settings. Here you'll see a field labeled Link or Video URL, which contains the YouTube address you pasted earlier. Click inside that field to edit the URL. Now, go to the very end of the YouTube link and add the following: a question mark, the letters REL, an equal sign, and the number 0 with no spaces in between. It should look like this at the end of the link, REL 0. Be careful not to remove any part of the existing link and avoid adding any spaces. After you've added REL 0 to the end of the YouTube URL, it's time to save your changes. Look again to the top right corner of the screen and click either Update if you're editing an existing page, or Publish if this is a new one. Once it finishes saving, your embedded video will now show fewer YouTube suggestions at the end, helping keep your visitors focused on your own content.